This news article popped in my feed on Instagram saying that intermittent fasting is linked to a significantly higher risk of heart disease, which I don't see how that is. They studied over 20,000 adults, and there was an increased risk from the people that restricted 8 hours to the people that eat 12 to 16.
Yeah. So this is that prime example of media. It works every time. Media just gets everybody. I've seen this all over too. New study, intermittent fasting increases cardiovascular mortality. This study has not been published. This was a presentation at the American Heart Association conference. So unfortunately, I don't have access to the study, and nor does the media who's writing this article. It hasn't been reviewed. It hasn't been published yet. We'll see when those data come out. We don't know how they analyze the data, don't know what they controlled for. And there's also this issue of what's called reverse causality. People who already have cardiovascular risk may eat a little bit worse, not focus on what they're eating. And there's papers that actually show people eating in an 8-hour feeding window have increases in BMI. BMI is a tough metric, but people tend to, if you don't focus on what you're eating, you can pig out in that 8-hour feeding window. That could have happened here. We don't know. And there's also studies that, like a recent study that shows that time restricted feeding reduces these risks. So again, this is media just being media.